welcome. Today's video we're going to be unbagging or unboxing our Ipsy Glambag for October. Now this is my PR bag. I will be coming back with my paid bag, as well as Haley and I will be doing our Ipsy versus Ipsy PR edition and Ipsy versus Ipsy paid edition, and of course putting all of that to the test and PR versus paid, all of that fun stuff. So, but in today's video, like I said, this will be the unbagging of the PR Glam Bag for the month of October. So before we get into the video, guys, if you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name is Rhonda, and over here, we always embrace the hot mess, and it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. So stick around, subscribe, because you never know what you're gonna get over here. There may be unboxings, there may be reviews, there may be, God only knows. So stick around. 12:15 Monday through Friday, your girl Eastern time is uploading some videos for you. And then of course, Saturday and Sundays, if I upload, it is always at 9 p.m. Eastern time. So I'd love to have you as part of our Hot Mess crew. Slap that subscribe button. What are you waiting on? Just do it. Peer pressure in the most nicest, kindest way ever. But still, click that button. I'm weird. Okay, let's just get into the video. Okay guys, so like I said, this is the Ipsy Glam Bag for October. Now this is the PR bag that I did receive. Ipsy was kind enough to send this over to me, as well as one for Haley. So you know my girl is a busy bee. She goes to school full time, she works, she is crafting, she is a busy girl. So when she has the time, we'll sit down and we're gonna put all of these up, and let's go ahead and talk a little bit about the price of this bag. Now this bag is $12 a month, and you do get to customize, I think it's one item in this bag. Now correct me if I'm wrong nicely, please, because you know I'm a sensitive girl. I may be a Gemini, but your girl has Cancer and Scorpio, so that's a lot of water signs. So go nice, go easy. That's why I always say drama-free, stress-free, negative-free. Okay. Anyways, guys, I think you do customize one item in here, 3 items in our plus, but it is $12 a month plus tax. And let's go ahead, well, actually, they did send over a brush in here. This is by Firma. This is the 103 brush. I think either Haley or I, one of us has received this in the past, and I do like it. It's nice, it's soft. Like I said in my plus unbagging, I have a ton of brushes right now, and I'll tell you right now, the reason I have so many brushes is because of subscription boxes, subscription bags. I mean, honestly guys, I have been getting subscriptions, I wanna say, since 2015, and this is how I grew a huge amount of my brushes. Like a majority of my collection came from that. So getting into the bag, this is what the bag looks like. It's great as far as like the whole theme goes, and on the back it says your magic. It's totally giving me all the October vibes. I absolutely love it. It has a gold accent zipper with a little moon and a star on here. So when we get in here, I have a full-size product in here. Okay, so I did forget to tell you guys, Ipsy is profile based, and I'm shook. I actually did receive the Ipsy A+ high dose, it's not Ipsy, the Sunday Riley. I'm a little like shook by this. The Sunday Riley A+ high dose retinoid serum. I'm actually currently using this right now. I use a retinol that's like 0.1 or something, and then the days I don't use that one, I have been using the Sunday Riley high dose retinoid serum and the Luna oil, I think it is, I can't remember. Mixing those together really helps with your texture and anti-aging, of course. So I am shook to see this in here for sure. But like I started to tell you guys, Ipsy is a profile based type of subscription. You go in there, you let them know everything. You let them know your hair color, your skin tone, your eye color, your age, your preferences, everything. So this is really awesome. The next item I see in here, ooh, I love this. You guys know how much I love Briogeo. This is a Briogeo Farewell Frizz Rosarco Milk Leave-In Conditioning Spray. This is really good. You guys know that I always am rotating my shampoos, my conditioners, and my hair care products, just because my hair is like my skin. It gets very used to things very quickly, so I have to rotate things. And I love, love, love Briogeo. That is a line of hair care that I have like backup over here that I keep in my regimen because it's good quality stuff. Okay, next in here is the Smashbox Oil and Shine Control Primer. So we've got a nice, I keep forgetting, I'm so used to not being able to have my camera focus. So that's a nice little size of this. I kind of wonder, did they change up the formula by chance? I have not tried the Smashbox primer in so long. As far as this Briogeo goes, guys, it's 0.75 ounces, so that is a decent amount for sure. And then last item in here is a smoky eye mascara. Who is it by? Bobbi Brown. I don't think I've ever tried a Bobbi Brown mascara. Okay, I'm excited about this bag for sure. Like you guys know, last month when Haley and I did our unbagging, I was kind of like ho-hum, but this bag is pretty doggone awesome. I'm pretty happy about this for sure. Like I said, I'm loving seeing Sunday Riley products. They're really good products as well. So the nice thing about Ipsy is, as well as other subscriptions, they also offer add-ons. So you do have the opportunity when you go into your profile or go into your account to pick, when you go to pick your items, they do offer a little bit of shopping if you want. So you're going to see brands like Sunday Riley in there, Dominique Cosmetics, Illuminati Cosmetics. We're seeing Briogeo. I actually, the last bag, or 2 bags ago, I think it was, I actually picked up the sample size. I think they were like $3 of the Briogeo Kiwi Avocado Conditioner. Holy moly, if you can get your hands on those, definitely do so. That is like the Briogeo's newest deep conditioner that came out. It is absolutely amazing, guys. So I didn't see it in this past add-ons with Ipsy, but it's definitely something to think about. But like I said, it's always good to see what all that they have to offer. I do some of my Christmas shopping this way as well, because you do get things insanely cheaper. I want to say Haley has told me even the Sunday Riley, I want to say she picked it up for like 18 bucks or something like that. Like, it's insane good deals, and this stuff's expensive. This is around like the $80 range, and you're able to pick it up in the Ipsy add-ons for like 18 bucks or 20 bucks or something like that. So anyways, guys, as far as this bag goes, for $12 flipping, I'm shook. I think that this was absolutely the best bag I've ever received. So I'm very curious to see what I receive in my paid for bags, what Haley receives in her PR and her paid bags. Like I said, Haley and I will be coming back, and we will be unbagging everything for you guys, doing the Ipsy versus Ipsy, mother versus daughter. If you guys are curious about my makeup that I have on today, oh, y'all, Lunar Beauty had their Moon Spell palette on sale, and I picked it up. And can I just tell you guys, hands down, the best customer service ever that I have experienced. Like, 2020 is a crazy flipping year, but Lunar Beauty brought it. Here's what happened. My first palette that I received, first of all, I live in Kentucky. Everything takes forever and a day to get here. I don't know what happens. It comes in and it's almost here, and then it ships to Indianapolis, and then it comes back, and then it hits Cincinnati, and then eventually I receive it. Like, everybody's done gotten their things, and then eventually mine shows up. Well, here's the dealio, y'all. I ordered my Moonspell palette. It was like Friday the 25th. You guys, it wasn't even a week later. Not even a week later. Like, minuscule days later, it arrived. And first of all, the packaging is divine. I have wanted this. They had a coupon for 20 or 30% off of this palette. It's like a book casing that slides out, and this is the colors in here. I actually do have this palette on today. I think it's going to be hard to show because of the gold, but unfortunately my first palette, this shade came busted. I emailed Lunar Beauty and I said, you know, thank you for the quick shipping. 2, unfortunately my shade came broken. Sent them a picture. Literally within an hour of that email, not only had they responded back to me twice, they had already shipped out a brand new one. It was here in 2 days, if even. I mean, it was like, oh my gosh, are you kidding me? So if you guys were wondering, should I order from Lunar Beauty? How is their customer service? How is their service? 10 out of 10 would highly recommend. So anyways, I did pay for this palette myself, and I love, you guys know I love Lunar Beauty eyeshadow formula. I love Life's a Drag. I have the Strawberry Dream, I think it's called, palette. I have the blush palette, and now I have this in my collection, and I freaking love it. To me, it was just the epitome of fall colors. Even though it's hard to see, it is just a gorgeous, gorgeous palette. So anyways, 10 hours later as far as that goes. And then the rest of my face makeup, I do have my Charlotte Tilbury Healthy Glow underneath, and then I have my Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and then I have my Scott Barnes palettes. You guys, these palettes, again, this was another dealio where they were on sale. I think there was like a 20 or 30% off coupon that happened to be floating around, and I picked them up. This was actually gifted to me from Alicia, and thank you again, girl, for sending this my way. This is the Chic Cheek palette by Scott Barnes. You guys, these palettes, the highlight, the contour, the blush, these are the palettes that I have been using pretty much all this week. Like all this week, this is what I've been reaching for. It's gonna come down to, I'm gonna have to take them away from myself again, but his highlighters, his contour, everything is just gorgeous. So anyways, guys, those are all the palettes that I have on today. And as far as your Ipsy goes, let me know, what did you guys pick as far as your choices went? That was another thing that I noticed last month, that I was a little ho-hum over what my choices were. I have to say, for my paid for October choices, it was definitely better than September choices. So that had me pretty pleased. I wasn't like through the roof, but I was pretty doggone happy, because y'all know September was not my pickings month. I was not thrilled, but I definitely was more happy when it came to my choices for the October Ipsy Glambag and Ipsy Glambag Plus. So let me know your thoughts down below. Definitely make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow me over on Instagram. There will be a giveaway going up this week for my 30K giveaway. Make sure to follow me over on Instagram, because there will be a giveaway popping up very soon. And again, Haley and I will be coming back and doing our Ipsy versus Ipsy, mother versus daughter. Thank you guys so much if you made it to the end of this video, for sticking around, because I know your girl sometimes gets a little like ding, 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 ding. But if you made it to the end, I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. My shirt is from Torrid. It's my favoriteest superhero in the world. I mean, seriously, I used to run around in my underoos, is what it was called. Do you guys remember that? I don't know how many of you guys will remember that, but they used to come in like that big envelope, and it was like the best day ever if you actually got to get that little set. Oh my gosh. Okay, anyways, friends, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.